Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we wanted to do a quick video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Makeda.
Auntie Leash.
And we released a video pretty much saying that we are launching our own hair company here, Oh So Lavish. It is launching tomorrow, August 12th. So we wanted to come back and just let you guys know that the site is going to be live. We are going to have clip-ins, bundles, closures. It's 100% raw Indian hair, and we would really love for you guys to check out the site, support if you can. And also we are doing a flash promotion of 10% off on your first order. So I definitely want you guys to take advantage of that because it's going to be going away soon. But yeah, so we just wanted to let you know that here Oh So Lavish launches tomorrow, August 12th. And definitely try out the hair. You will not be disappointed.
It's the best quality hair. You guys won't be disappointed. Just support, guys. I'm telling you, it's the best hair you can think of. You won't regret it. And it can last. You can use it over and over and over and over and over again. You have it forever.
Yeah, and the reason why we chose to do raw Indian is because raw Indian hair lasts 5 times longer than virgin hair.
The virgin hair. The virgin hair sheds like a lot of hair. Each time you put in it, you wash it, it's less hair. So the raw Indian, it's the best hair. I'm telling you guys. I can't wait to put in mine.
Yeah, she's going curly. She's gonna be a curly babe.
Curly.
Yeah, she's gonna be a curly babe. I have in the wave right now, and I am someone that I don't even tie down my hair, leash nose, and literally all I do is brush it out, and it is brand new. Yeah, it's amazing.
I can't wait to get mine.
She cannot wait to install her curly hair.
Guys, just support.
Yes. So we love you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video.
Love you guys.
So here Oh So Lavish launches tomorrow, August 12th. So definitely check out the website. I hope you guys, you know, shop, and I cannot wait to see you guys in here Oh So Lavish. I know you guys are gonna love the hair and you're gonna look amazing. We love you.
Love you guys.
And we'll see you later.
Bye.